I do want to reiterate before we start messing with anything down here. If your washer is full of water, as soon as you start opening this, all the water from your machine is going to come pouring out onto the floor. So what you want to do is, like I said, there's a hose and it should be sticking out right from here on your machine, and it has a cap on the end of it. And so if you want to get that water out, all you have to do, you'll just pull this cap off like this, and you can pour it out into a bowl or a cup. Now, depending on how much water you have in your machine, this is going to be a little bit of a process, and it's going to take some time. So this washer is currently full of water, and I don't have the drain hose right here. So as soon as I start to turn the cap for the filter, all the water is going to come pouring out. So you turn this counterclockwise and pull it all the way out. And this is the filter for your drain pump. And as you can see, it just catches anything that's not supposed to end up in your washer. A lot of times it'll catch clumps of hair and stuff like that, especially if you have pets that shed a lot. But there's not really anything in here. So if yours was clogged up, then that's probably the reason that your washer couldn't drain, because the water has to pass through the filter to go out the back of the machine. So once you get it unclogged and pop it back in, you should be good to go. Now,